Look at that, man. I'm not, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it, bro.
Hey, SB, you like candy?
I love candy.
Remember when we did that video with the chocolate bars? We mashed them all up together.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Hey, this guy, if you guys recall that video, this guy ate the whole thing.
I ate the whole thing, guys, and I'm proud of it.
Remember that we did promise them that we were gonna do more candy related videos, right?
Yes, we did.
So today, how about we go to Walmart? You know how they have that aisle with just Mexican candy?
Yeah.
How about we go get some Mexican candy and mix it up just like we did with the chocolate bars?
Let's do this.
Hey, but for this though, I wanna just do the spicy Mexican candies. I love spicy food. I'm not being biased, guys, because I'm Mexican, but Mexican candy's the best. I'm sorry if you guys like any other candy. And I'm sure you guys have some valid points as to why you like other types of candy. But to me, Mexican candy is the best. Mexican candy is spicy, just how I like it. And it never gets boring. What do you think, SB?
I love Mexican candy because most of the Mexican candy are made with tamarind. I love tamarind.
Oh, that stuff's good,
That's
man.
the best thing they can, you know what I'm saying?
Even the drinks that they make with those?
Oh, man.
The soda? Anything tamarind is good, right?
If you guys haven't tried a candy with tamarind, you guys have to go to the store right now and buy yourself, there's this candy called the tamarind burrito. Eat that.
Let's go get that.
Let's go get that right now.
So we're gonna go to Walmart, we're gonna get some Mexican candy and we're gonna bring it here. We're only gonna concentrate on candy that's spicy or that's not too sweet. Later on, we'll do another mashup of other types of Mexican candy. Look at all that candy, SB.
Man, that's a lot of candy.
Well, okay, let's just get the spicy ones, or even I like those peanuts over there. I want to get some peanuts.
All right, let's get these peanuts. Let's get everything that we can get our hands on.
All right.
And that's all she wrote.
That's it. Here it is. Boom. We picked up some Mexican candy. We didn't pick up all of it. This is the candy that we like and that we wanted to mash in together.
This is the one I'm talking about, guys. Right over here. Where's it at? Where is the burrito?
I don't know, man. Let's just dump it all out.
Dump it all out.
What is this, man? Did you get this?
Yep, that's chamoy. You add this to your chips, guys, and it's gonna make your chips taste like 30 times better than if you just eat them regularly.
Man, this looks like hot sauce.
It does, but it's not hot sauce, guys. It's a candy.
Man, Mexican candy's the best sauce.
And this is the one I'm talking about, though.
What is that?
It's called the burrito de tamarindo. In English, it's Amber Pulp Tamarind Candy. Bomb.
It is really
it's probably
good.
one of the best Mexican candies you could ever taste.
All right, let's take out all of them and let's show them what we have. Let's start off with this one, because this one you can find at the dollar store actually.
Pulparindos. Delicious.
And we got the spiciest one that we could find also. What is this?
I don't know what is that. Oh yeah, enchilokis. The bomb too, man. Everything we got here is bomb.
These are guabayita bites.
Guabayita bites, they're made out of guava.
They're not spicy, but we're gonna make them spicy.
Yeah. What is it, crazy sandia?
So it's like crazy watermelon, right?
Yeah, they're like little gummies.
All right, I like that. This looks like spaghetti, man.
That's some Lucas spaghetti. You guys know what Lucas is, right? That little chili powder?
Yeah, it says salsa-gatti there.
Oh, snaps.
So, I mean, yeah, I guess it's gonna live up to its name.
Yeah.
All right, we got some sweet and sour chili gummies. These are like gummy worms, but spicy. What do you have over there?
I got some mega flechazos made out of tamarind. Delicious.
Is that the one with the straw?
Yes, it has a straw in it.
All right, and right here I have some powder, some Lucas mango. So this is gonna come in handy.
Yep.
All right, what is this?
What is that? Rielazo botanero. They're like little fruit candies covered in tamarind.
Man, these look like raisins.
Yep.
They're raisin size, guys.
Those are good for when you want to make like a fruit salad and you add some of those.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yep, that's what they use.
Now we got this big old ball of something. What is this, tamarind?
Yep, that's tamarind. That's probably one of my favorite right there.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
That's delicious.
What do you have over there?
I got the what do they call it? Cacahuates japoneses, right?
So the peanuts.
The peanuts covered in like some type of, what is it, dough?
You know what I heard about those?
What?
Is that they're not really Japanese. The guy that invented them was of Japanese descent, but he was Mexican.
Oh man, for real?
Yeah, they're not really from Japan. They're actually Mexican peanuts invented by a Mexican of Japanese descent.
Yeah, these are delicious, guys. You can do all kinds of stuff with these, or you can just eat them like that as well. They're peanuts covered in like some type of crunchy dough, I guess. They're crunchy and delicious.
They are crunchy. I want them now. But I'm gonna wait. We're gonna mix them all up together, guys, and I guess SB's gonna do the honors of eating it, and he'll let us know exactly how it tastes.
I'm ready for it.
All right, SB, I think that we should start off with layers.
Let's do this.
So let's start off with this one. How about it?
Sounds good.
All right, we're gonna open these up, and these come in like, they're separated individually. So let's open one up so you guys can see what they look like. They're flat.
And delicious.
Well, of course they're delicious and spicy. So this is what they look like, guys.
That's all you need right there.
That's all we need. So we're gonna lay them flat. Let's get about 6 of them.
All right, let's do this. So I'm eager to eat these, man. I'm ready to eat.
You know what? Let's add another row.
All right. Look at that, guys. You guys might not think that this looks good. Maybe because you guys haven't tasted these before, but since I already know how it tastes, my mouth is watering. I can't even talk.
Man, if only they could smell it.
Man, you guys should smell this. I am ready to eat these.
All right, time for some guayabita bites. I've never tried these, honestly.
I tried them before. They're all right. They're not too bad.
All right.
It's just that I prefer tamarind candy.
All right, here you go, man. Let's add some on top. It's like we're making pizza here, man. All right, let's spread them out to the edge, like so. That way in the center we can add more stuff. Should we add the peanuts?
Yes, I think this is where we add the peanuts because we're gonna stack other stuff on top of it.
All right.
Yo, you do the honors.
All right, man, I can't wait, man. I'm just gonna get some peanuts. You want some?
I get some of them right now.
All right, let's add them. Like so.
Get over here.
I'm trying to get away, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, that's fair enough. Okay, what else is next?
What about these?
Oh, the raisin looking candy?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's pour it on. How are they? You know what? I'm gonna taste one. They're like tamarindo bites.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Bomb.
How about that crazy watermelon? There's not that many, but I think it'll do. Man, I think we're just creating a new, different candy right here.
For real.
We gotta patent this up and sell it.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna have to come up with a name for it.
Oh, let's add these. They all look similar, but I know they have different tastes. So let's add a few balls.
This one's made out of mango, or it's mango.
Are these the ones that have the gummy inside? Like
Yeah, I believe so. These
Yeah.
are huge though, look at that.
Yeah. So if you're ever hungry, just eat one of these. It'll keep you from being hungry for a few hours. Man.
Honestly, these snacks right here will keep you entertained for a while. That's how good these are. Oh my God, I'm ready for these.
All right. Hey, what did you say about this burrito right here?
One of the best candies you can ever buy.
Is it okay if we unroll it? Should we unroll it?
Let's unroll
it. So that people can see what the inside looks like.
Oh, look at the
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
So it's like a tortilla candy, and then it's got the
tamarind in the middle?
Yeah.
Man, look at that. I want to take a bite out of that already.
How about we save this for last?
All right.
All right, so we're gonna leave it right there. Oh,
Salsa-ghettis?
salsa-ghetti. Let's open it up.
Man, it smells bomb.
Yeah, it does. Ooh, look, it's got like a little.
Like little Lucas packet.
There you go. This is like chamoy, isn't it?
I believe so.
And it's
Is it made
got
out
two.
of Lucas made chamoy?
I guess so, man. We can add it on top later, but look.
Oh, this is like this right here, guys.
Oh, so it's just extra.
Yeah, it's in a little packet.
All right, well, we're gonna add some of this. It looks like worms.
Mm-hmm. They look alive, look, they're moving and stuff.
Yeah. Oh man, we are creating the ultimate candy.
Diabetes for sure. Bro, these are made out of real fruit though, so.
So though, if those look like worms, these are worms too. But these are spicy worms.
Those look like
oh,
fish.
Yeah, look at that. Although they're stuck together, but look how it looks like they've been dead for a while.
It looks disgusting, but they're delicious.
Yeah, and that's the thing. If it looks disgusting, it's gotta be good,
right?
Let's just put the gummy. Oh wow, that's a whole mountain of candy right there. What else are we missing?
We are missing the rocaleta. What is it called again? Martillo, el Super Leon Bomb.
Okay, so that's tamarindo.
So let's add this big chunk of.
Open it up.
Rendo. And there it is, guys.
Whoa.
Big chunk of goodness. Goodness gracious.
Whoa. That looks delicious, man. How about we spread it?
Let's spread that.
It's sticky, man. Good thing I'm wearing gloves, huh? Mm-hmm. This could be like peanut butter if we were making a sandwich. What is this straw?
That straw has tamarind on it.
Maybe we'll use it for our next video.
All right, cool.
All right. Because we already have so much stuff on there.
We gotta add some of that Lucas.
We gotta add some of these Lucas now. But you know what? Since we got the chamoy already, let's add that.
Instead?
Yeah.
Blam, guys.
Squirt that on. And soak it up, man. Let's have it drip. And you know what? I'm opening this one too.
More or what?
Well, look, this is a different color.
Yeah, that's not chamoy. That's something else.
Well, whatever it is, man.
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So this is the same as this. So we're just gonna skip adding this, and we're just gonna add that.
Oh man.
Smells good, huh?
Smells good. It looks good. I know some people might think it looks disgusting, but nope. Not to us. All right. So we have everything we were gonna put on there, right?
I believe so.
Wait. We gotta sprinkle it with Lucas.
Sprinkle it with.
Go ahead, man. My gloves are too beat up already. Just crack the top and then.
And sprinkle some on top, guys.
Who knew salt was actually candy?
There it is.
Okay, we're almost done. We still have this little burrito that we are just gonna throw on top.
You should spread that, or what do you think?
Can we?
I believe so. Oh man, look at that. Let me get a piece of that.
Oh, come on, man. You had to do it, huh?
My goodness.
And last but not least, the tortilla goes on top. And there it is, guys. A mountain of candy goodness. Mexican candy. Okay, guys, at this point, we have all the candy in there. All the candy that we bought. It's not mashed in yet. We're gonna do that right now. But I want you guys to appreciate how it looks. You guys can clearly see all the candies that we put in there. And look at that. That's a whole lot of candy, a whole lot of calories. It's gonna make your stomach hurt, SB. I'm telling you that right now.
You know what? It's a risk worth taking.
Yeah, but we're immune to this anyway, man. We're always eating hot wings and eating this. We grew up on this candy, so.
I can eat ghost pepper salsa and hot wings, so what is this gonna do?
What about a Carolina Reaper, though?
I can handle that too.
All right, well.
If you guys want to see a video of that, let me know.
All right, let me mash these up. Create a little ball. Should we take a knife and cut it?
You want to?
Yeah, let's cut it. All right, let's cut it up. See what the inside looks like.
Whoosh, whoosh. Let me show you guys my culinary skills.
I think it's the peanuts.
Yeah, it's peanuts.
It's gotta be the peanuts. Ooh.
There it is.
All the way down?
All the way down.
All right, let's see it.
Oh, nom, nom, nom.
There it is, guys. It's a big old burger. Wow, that looks delicious.
Look at that, man. I'm not, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it, bro.
Oh, you're getting the big side, huh?
I'm getting the big side of this
Roll it up, roll it
burger.
up. Oh, there you go, like a burger, man.
This is a.
Takes 2 hands to hold.
Yup, and it's falling apart. I'm gonna mash it in like this. Like this. And then, oh, I made a burrito now, look.
Some bloody hands. Oh, you did, huh?
Look at that. Oh.
Okay, I guess that says it all, guys. This guy's dying. Either it's too spicy or he's just in love with the candy.
I'm gonna lower the candy, guys.
That's candy burrito heaven. Hey, you dropped a peanut there. He's loving it, guys. It is delicious. Look at it. It's messy, that's for sure. Look at his hands. Is it worth it though? All right, SB, take your time, enjoy it. Man, that looked good. How was it?
Delicious, guys. This is a great experiment. You guys should try it. I mean, you guys are in vacation, right? Why not?
Summertime.
Summertime, best thing you can do right now.
You didn't even finish it, man.
Oh, I'm gonna finish it. I left it there because I wanted you guys to see the aftermath. But I'm gonna destroy this one and that one.
He already ate a big chunk though, so I mean, I don't want to be you when you go to the bathroom, man. That's a lot of spicy stuff.
Was it worth it? Yes, it was.
It looks good, man. I'm gonna get a piece. Can I get a piece later?
All right. So, like, that corner right there.
Yeah, I don't want. Yeah. That's too much sugar for me. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to try it out, go for it. We're gonna be doing more mashups of candy in the future videos, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel and turn on those bell notifications. That way, you guys keep up with us and you guys get to see the stuff we make. It's really fun stuff, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you, SB. Check him out on his channel, guys. Link is below. He's got some really cool videos as well. We'll be seeing you pranksters in the next video.
Peace.
And there's still a lot left over, isn't it? Bunch of these laying around. Try this out. It's super fun. You guys can mold it into anything you guys want.